Do you want a beautiful and glowing skin? So stay tuned. I'll be showing you a quick and easy DIY on how to make homemade orange peel soap. To make this homemade orange peel soap, you will need a soap base. You can cut or grate the soap base into smaller pieces. To make this soap, I'm going to use orange peel powder. And orange peel powder has a high content of vitamin C. And vitamin C will help the body to form collagen, which will keep your skin looking younger and more smooth. So when I'm done cutting the soap base, I will add it into a bowl. To make this soap, you can use any mold of your choice. So I'm going to use the plastic mold and I'm going to grease it with. Feel free to use any oil of your choice, but you can check out my video on how to make the homemade turmeric oil. I added some water into the pot. So I'm going to place the bowl on top of the pot of boiling water. I'm going to use the double boiler method to make the soap base. I will allow the soap base to melt gently. When I notice that the soap base has melted, I'm going to add orange peel powder. You can check out my video on how to make orange peel powder at home. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder. Orange peel powder has a high content of vitamin C, and vitamin C will help the body to form collagen, which will keep your body looking young. When I added the orange peel powder, I will stir to mix properly. I'll be making use of half teaspoon of turmeric oil. You can also add turmeric powder. You can check out my video on how to make turmeric oil at home. Turmeric has antifungal and antiseptic properties. It will brighten the skin, tone the skin, and reduce dark spots. After adding the oil, I'll stir to mix together. Remove from the heat. Pour the melted soap into the mold. Allow the soap to cool and harden. After about 2 hours, carefully remove from the mold. You can use this soap preferable at night because orange has phototonic property that can cause the skin to react to sunburning. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.